Hi, welcome back. And today I'm going to be giving an amputee makeup tutorial. I have lots of people ask me who does my makeup, and it's all me. I don't pretend to be a makeup artist, but I will show you what I do and how I get ready in the morning. And you know, a lot of it has to do with setup. So you can kind of see my setup on my bathroom counter here. And as you can see, most of my stuff is just out. A lot of it doesn't have caps. And I even have over here a Lazy Susan that is actually meant for the kitchen, but which I use for some of my tools. So today I'm just going to be doing the base and showing you how I do my skincare, and then later you can check out a different video where I'll do lips and eyes and hair. So I'm going to get started using just a moisturizer, and sometimes I'll clip my hair back, but I'm just going to tuck it behind my ears so it's out of my face. And I'm just going to use a day cream first, just squirting out a little bit and applying it to my skin. I do use Retin-A, which dries out the skin, so I have a lot of moisturizer that I use to prevent flaking and to give me a nice base for my makeup. And then over here in my Lazy Susan, I have some primer, but actually I'm not going to use that primer. I'm going to use this primer. It's kind of give me a glow for my event that we're going to later. And this is a Seraphim skincare product, which most of the makeup I use is. So that just gives me a nice glow, and it also is a little bit mattifying, so I won't be oily looking all night. And then I think actually for my base today, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals, which is a powder, which will also help control some of my oil tonight. So I'm going to start out with the concealer in Bisque. And so I just shake out a little bit here. And then I've got a concealer brush around here somewhere. So I'll just use my small concealer brush here. And just dipping it in the concealer like so to take care of any redness. I do get the occasional pimple. I've got some scarring from years of acne, so just a light brushing there. Redness around the nose. Take care of this blemish. And this stuff has pretty good coverage, so I really enjoy using it. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go over it with my other powder, which is just their face powder. It's the Bare Minerals Matte Foundation. The color I'm using is light. And so I'm just gonna dip my full face brush in, tap it off, and then I'm gonna buff it on. I've got a piece of hair. So I pretty much do a little bit on each cheek, blending toward my nose and the outer face. And then we'll do some on my forehead, which has uncontrollable, whoops, so I dropped it, so gotta pick it up. And it's something that happens a lot when you're me. Butter nubs, as I call them. Dumping a little bit more powder there. And getting the forehead. And then we'll do a little coat on my chin. Try not to use too much. Don't want a cakey appearance. So we're gonna just kind of blend it in a little bit more. Blend it in with under my chin, around my neck. Just Give it a little more natural appearance. And it's like 80 degrees in February today. So I'm gonna turn on this fan here and hopefully it does not interfere with my audio too much. Oh, I'm feeling like I'm getting hot. Is that okay? Okay, so we've got the most of the base, moisturizer, primer, concealer, foundation powder. So now I'm gonna put on a little bit of highlighter for some contouring, and I've got this awesome highlighter stick that's made by Seraphim Skincare. I love this stuff. And so I'm just gonna do a little bit right here under the eyes, and a little bit right here above the brow, on the flat of my nose, above my lip, and under my lip. And so then I'm just gonna blend that in. Brighten up the eyes. Eye area right there, slim the nose, and create a little bit of pout effect on my lips. So there's the highlighter. And then I think I'm just gonna use a little bit of bronzer tonight as opposed to blush. And I'm gonna do like a neutral eye palette as well. So I've got this Magnetic Compact bronzer by Tarte that I'm going to use. Get a little bit of this on my brush, and I'm going to go right under where I did the highlighter, just to kind of contour the cheekbone a little bit. And I'm going to go kind of in a C motion, also above the highlighter on the top. I'm going to just do that on both sides. And then kind of blend it in the middle of my forehead. And then throw just whatever's left on the brush around my chin to kind of contour there. Create a little bit of shadow. And then blending toward the neck. And I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush there on the balls of my cheek. I think I'm gonna use this Clinique Chubby Stick. It's kind of a liquidy stick. So I'm just gonna put a couple dots there and then just kind of blend that for some rosiness to blend into that bronzer. Right up the cheekbone. So there you have it. That's my base, and you can click on the next video to check out how I'm about to do my eyes and lips. Thanks for watching.